Good evening, everybody. First, congratulations to my players and to the crowd. They make a really great atmosphere one more time, and it's like really pleasure and obligation to play in such an atmosphere.
Sveikinu tiek savo žaidėjus, tiek žiūrovus, kurie eilinį kartą sukūrė puikią atmosferą ir yra didelis malonumas žaisti tokioje arenoje.
Congratulations to the opponent for the effort what they put on the court.
Sveikinu ir varžovus už pastangas, kurias jie dėjo aikštelėje.
More or less, lost in Astana in the first round was, I can say, one of the reasons that Žalgiris was trying to find longer than it's expected a certain shape, a certain form.
Pralaimėjimas pirmo rato varžybose Astanoje buvo ta priežastis, kodėl Žalgiris taip ilgai ieškojo savo gero žaidimo.
And I said to the players that outcome of this game depends on us, because I think that we have more quality team, that in the games which are behind us we are like in a better shape, but we must know that as much as we give to Astana, Astana will take to it.
Prieš rungtynes sakiau savo žaidėjams, kad mes esame geresnėje formoje, tačiau negalime vien apie tai galvoti, nes Astana irgi gali žaisti.
And this is exactly how the game goes. Whenever we were focused, tight, working as a team defensively and offensively, the margin goes around 10 points. 3 or 4 times before the last time it went when we make it over the 10. And simply we didn't stay enough time. I will not accept excuse, that we make, today the idea was to extend rotation as much as possible and to give the smaller minutes to certain players. Even some players play more minutes than expected. But respond from the bench in a couple of substitutions was not enough good, so we can keep the rhythm on the level we wanted.
Rungtynė šiandien taip ir vyko, kad kai buvome susikaupę, pirmavome 10 taškų kelis kartus, bet varžovai priartėdavo ir šiandien buvo rungtynių planas panaudoti kuo daugiau žaidėjų, kad kai kurie žaidėjai žaistų galbūt mažiau negu įprasta. Tačiau žaidėjai kilę nuo suolelio ne visada gerai įsijungdavo į rungtynes, dėl to jos buvo manguotos.
My only remark goes on concentration.
Mano vienintelė pastaba yra koncentracijos tokia.
We allow the opponent to grab 12 rebounds, offensive, that's too much. We commit 11 turnovers, which looks like a good number, taking consideration which is our average, but generally it was too much.
Leidome varžovam atkovoti 12 kamuolių po savo krepšiu, tai yra per daug. Suklydome 11 kartų, kur gal skaičius yra ir įprastas vidurkis, tačiau tos klaidos nebuvo geras.
But we managed to materialize our quality on a good way in the fourth quarter, and we win the game, and that's the most important. Now we recovered our position in the VTB League a bit. I hope we're going to continue that way, because too many games on the road in the first part of the league, and we're going to play all those games home, and I hope with a crowd like this and our shape is supposed to be on a certain level, we can join to the teams which can run playoffs.
Tačiau sugebėjome realizuoti savo pranašumą ketvirtajame kėlinyje, laimėjome rungtynes ir pagerinome savo pozicijas VTB vieningoje lygoje, pasivijome tai, ką buvome praradę ir tikimės su tokiu žiūrovų palaikymu tęsti tokį pasirodymą ir patekti į atkrintamąsias varžybas.
That's all.
Klausimų?
Questions?
Yes, Coach, is there any truth about the rumors of Noran Perkins coming to Žalgiris?
Nothing. I know that he's in the market, I know that the player was injured, I know that he's searching, especially the EuroLeague team. Definitely, I think that this article is pushed from some other side, because the signing for EuroLeague, deadline signing for EuroLeague is like almost over. It's going to be Wednesday or Tuesday before the before the first game. So we're gonna play EuroLeague in this roster as now. So this is something what they read in the papers.
Klausimas buvo apie Doroną Perkinsą, ar gandai yra teisingi. Treneris atsakė, kad konkrečiai nieko negirdėjo, taip jis žino, kad jis yra krepšinio rinkoje, grįžta po traumos, tačiau mano, kad tai yra spaudimas iš kitos pusės, nes registracija Eurolygoje baigėsi prieš pirmasias top 16 rungtynes.
Treneri, ar šitos varžybos buvo skirtos pasiruošti prieš Makabį?
Which newspapers? In a certain segments of the game was some parts. We were trying some parts, here or there, but generally for us, this was psychologically very important game. There is a certain stretch of the game that we win, and it's always, if you go more and more, it's always interesting how the team will respond. We are trying to become a team. We are not still the team that we want to be. I think that we have a lot of space to improve ourselves, especially to be a constant in a certain thing. So, if you ask me about preparation of Maccabi, it was something inside.
Kai kuriais momentais šiose rungtynėse galima sakyti, kad ruošiamės ir mačai su Maccabi, tačiau daug svarbiau yra komandos psichologinė būklė ir ji yra tikrai nebloga, kaip komanda laimi. Tačiau tai dar nereiškia, kad Žalgiris išnaudoja visą savo potencialą, dar turi kur tobulėti ir taip šiandien kai kuriais momentais ruošiamės rungtynėms su Maccabi, bet svarbu